Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you the essential leather tools that you need to begin doing leather work, and these are just the basics that you really need to get started, and you can start making anything you like from there. So first of all, we have the overstitch wheel, we have the stitching groover, we have the edge beveler, and finally the awl, probably the most important one of these four. And of course you'll just need some thread, a needle, a knife for cutting your leather, some leather of course, and some glue. This is just wood glue, but you can use any kind of adhesive there. So for the rest of this video I'm just going to run through what you use these tools for, why you need them, and give you a bit of a demo on how they work. Okay, now I just wanted to quickly show you, these are the kinds of things that I've made using these tools. So I've got a leather bag here, also the leather wallet, which I've got a video for as well if you want to check that out. This is the original that I made a few years ago now. Still going strong, still use it every day. And I've got a camera strap here as well, which I've made using these tools, and there's a few other things I've made as well, but basically, you know, you can decide once you've got the basics down pat, you've got a few basic tools, you can start designing your own things. Most of these things, although they've been inspired by other leather pieces, have been my own designs and things I've just come up with as I've needed them. Okay, alright guys, so we got our four tools. So we got the awl, the edge beveler, edge groover, and the overstitch wheel. So I'll just show you how you use these four tools specifically, and how you can use them to make something like this, so leather wallet. Alright, so to get started, so you would need also a knife, so any kind of sharp knife will do for cutting the leather. So for example, I'm just going to make a cut across here. Doesn't have to be accurate for this demonstration. Obviously you'd measure that out if you were making something like this, and you can check out my other videos on how to make a wallet. Glue on here. So assuming this is the edge of your wallet or whatever you're making. Okay, so for your edging, so the first stage is to use your edge groover. So this is going to groove where you're going to be stitching. So you line it up where you want your stitches, so depending on how far in you want them, you can adjust the groover here, but say I just want them along here, and that grooves out that edge there. So then we've got a nice line across for this one. Alright, so we've got our edge. You do it on the other side as well, so that you've got an even one here. Now your next tool, the overstitch wheel, so this one you line it up where you want to begin, so you put one of the little star points on here, and then you basically just go over it like this. Alright, so then once you've done that, you've got your holes for the awl, so the awl will punch through the holes for you. I've got a video on how to do sewing for leather, so check that out for a clearer demonstration. But basically you punch your holes, and then you need your thread. So this is where the thread comes in. Okay, so you can check out my how to sew leather by hand video if you need a clearer demonstration of how this works. But basically prepare your needle, and then you'd begin sewing. So you'd have two needles, one on each side, going through where you punched your hole, and you'd sew it together. So again, just check out my how to sew leather by hand video for a demonstration on how that works. Now once you've got your stitches in, so it should look something like this. So you've stitched all around the edges there. Once you've done that, this is when you can get your little edge groover out. So this is just going to smoothen up your edges here. Just creates a bit of a curve. and then you can begin sanding if you like, and yeah, finish the job. There are a couple of other things that are useful when you're doing leather work, a couple of other tools and things. Have a look at some of my other videos if you want to see what else you might need to create a wallet such as this. But yeah, basically I've been using this for a few years now, and it's still going strong. So that's the basics. So this is how you basically create your create anything you like using leather. So the same principles applied to, for example, a leather camera strap or something like a bag. Here I've obviously used a few other bits and pieces like press studs, but yeah, same principles apply. If you just want a clean edge without the stitching, you can do that too using these tools. Otherwise, yeah, you're basically sewing by hand each of these areas here, and in this case I've created a bag, a wallet and a leather camera strap. So yeah, that's basically all you need. So with these 4 tools, grab yourself a knife. I mean, you can use scissors if you want, bit of glue, and away you go, and obviously some thread. So that's basically it. Thanks for watching, guys, and hopefully I'll get some more videos out for you soon.